this video, I'm going to be replacing my cabin air filter in my Focus RS. This applies to all Focus models, 2009 through 2018, and you only need one special tool. Before you start, there's one special tool that you need. It's a T20 Torx bit. If you don't have that, please go get it, because if you use a screwdriver on this, it's not gonna end well. From what I can understand, this looks pretty self-explanatory. You just take a kick panel off in the interior, 2 screws, and then take off the clip that holds in the cabin air filter inside the vehicle, also that Torx bit. And then you can pull it off, pull the filter out, put it back in, put everything back together. That's really all it is. Here we just have these 2 little push pins that you kind of squeeze and twist off at the same time. Kind of a weird thing, I've never seen these before. And then all they have is a little stud that they screw onto, and it's bright yellow. Those are really weird. They're like very easy to pull off. After that, this should be able to just pull off. It's a very flimsy panel, so be careful with it. Next, what we have is gonna be over here. There's a little screw down there that I'll get closer in with, and then it's just a couple clips up top, or on the sides of the thing right here, of the casing, and then you just slide the thing out. Next, grab your T20 Torx bit, start loosening that off real quick. It's not very tight, so when you put it back in, don't tighten it very much. It is going into plastic. You don't want to break anything. Don't do it. Hand tight. So it just has these 2 little clips right here that you just push in like that. If this is the bottom, I just went, and it came out. So you just slide it out from up top, and that's that. Now we can get up in here and see the cabin air filter. You just got a little screwdriver right here, a flathead. Use it as a pry tool to get this sucker out of here. Just get up under it, and you can kind of start to yank it out. That thing was in there. All right, that old one was absolutely disgusting. I don't know how long it's been since the last owner changed it, but I've had the car for about 10,000 miles, so it was probably due either way. But the brand new one looks so much better. As you can see, what we need to do now is put it back in. We have make sure you put this black foam piece towards the front of the car. Let's just stick it in there. Hopefully I can get it in without smushing it too horribly bad. Okay. So, as you can see, it's super hard to get it back in. You're gonna crease it. Don't worry about the creasing. It's gonna suck to put it in there, no matter what you do. It is what it is. You just kind of have to shove it in there. It'll be okay. But the new one's in. Now we just gotta put everything back together that we took out. So, here we go. That was the cabin air filter install video. It's very simple, but getting that cabin air filter back in its home is kind of difficult, because you don't want to smush it, but you kind of have to. I smushed mine up pretty good, but I've been driving on it for 3 days now, and it's been pretty good. Don't discourage yourself if you smush it a lot, because I did too. If you liked this video, please, I'm asking you, I'm begging you, please subscribe. A lot of you guys aren't subscribed. It's great. Just kidding, no it's not. But please subscribe. I would love you forever. See you next time.